My name is Jacob Lee, and I'm going to teach you today how to use a digital multimeter. This right here is how you set up a digital multimeter for voltage. You've got your positive here, your common here, and then you twist the dial here to voltage. I will show you your voltage. Now to go over to ohm meter, the only thing you're going to change is the dial over to ohm meter. Now to test ohm, if it is working, you take the two leads and you put them together. When you do that, it should tell you that there is some kind of resistance. Also, we're going to teach you how to use the 20 amp gauge on here as well for the ammeter. And how to test that is you take your positive on ohms and you stick it in the 20 amp fuse spot, and it'll show you that there is in fact resistance. Ready?
It's always ready.
Okay, now I'm going to check for the current flow across our circuit here. First I'm going to remove the appropriate fuse out here, and I'm going to place my reading device. What are you going to do?
At least it has the new, when I look at the arch, right? Alright, so I guess it's okay, except for having a fresh fluid in there. No. I'm gonna keep this so we know what filter to put in.
Yeah, if it were me,
I'll keep this,
I'd
so
say
we'll get a contract with,
He's stealing stuff for his jack wagon.